Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm just going to play again with some finger painting. I've just got a small canvas, 12 by 12, and I'm just going to play with the gradation of colors, not necessarily going for anything specific. I had done that colorful soul painting that was rainbow of colors, and I really enjoyed that. So I wanted to just, try to do some more finger painting with the fluid paints. So all of my colors are Deco Art, Titanium White, Cadmium Yellow, Orange Flame, True Red, Dioxazine Purple, Purple Rain, Vivid Violet, and I had in a bottle, I think it's Quinacridone Violet or whatever that is in that deeper violet to purple range. Everything is mixed 1:1 with Floetrol. That's my medium of choice. I don't use glue, and I don't use Liquitex pouring medium, but once in a blue moon. But here is the Floetrol. It needs to be latex based. You just mix your color 1:1, and then typically in the cup I will put a drop of OGX, which is a specific product, anti-breakage hair serum. The first ingredient is dimethicone, and that is the key to this particular ingredient. You can't just get any coconut milk product. It needs to be a specific ingredient. And you don't use a full pump. You just put one little drop into the cup of color that you have mixed up. And then what I do is I transfer my color after it's all mixed up into my squeeze bottles. And these are my fabulous squeeze bottles that I love using, that have the screw-on lids. They seal airtight, and they also have a small spout. They don't have the big open spout like a condiment bottle from the dollar store or Walmart that has a big hole in it. This has a really smaller hole, and so that's what I love about these. But the one thing is you'll always get small cells. You won't get large cells. So if you want large cells, then you want to just pour straight out of your cups. But to do my controlled swiping with small cells and lacing, or to do the finger painting, there might be a few little cells, but there may not be any cells in this painting. So I'm just going to see, I'm just starting with a dry white canvas. Just going to see what happens. It's all about experimenting and then, seeing how it goes. So I'm going to start, with the Dioxazine Purple. And I have plenty of paper towels around to wipe my fingers off when I change colors, because if you don't wipe your fingers, in between, you're going to really muddy up your colors. So that's Dioxazine Purple, and this is Purple Rain. So when I start mixing in the color, I'm using a really light touch. And it is selling up, but it's very small cells. And I don't use enough paint on this style of painting to pour off like a regular acrylic pour, so just keep that in mind as well. I'm not going to worry about the sides. If I do anything with the sides, I'll just paint the sides a color, most likely black. You can always throw in a technique in the middle of something like this because it is kind of freestyle. It does not have to be set in stone that you do it a particular way. There are no rules. It's just creating. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there. The key with it is if you're starting on a blank canvas, there's only a white primed canvas below, so it's going to sell up and you have to keep adding color back in where the low spots are. But I like that feel. I like the color tones together. And hopefully the deep purple will not dry blackish. It'll be dark though. But it's got some other purples mixed in to lighten it up a bit. So I am pretty pleased with that because I love the colors. So turn the lights off and it's not so reflective. I still have other lights on, but hopefully you can see the gist of it. But with the lights off, I do see still some low spots. So I'm going to keep adding a little paint in where I do see the low spots. I'm just dabbing it onto my finger so I can control what I put on my canvas. So if I mix a little white in, that'll help lighten some of that purple up so that it doesn't dry too dark. All right, I think I'm done. I like things that feel like light and joy, and maybe, something otherworldly, some higher power is coming through. I like that feel. It feels hopeful and joyful to me, and color makes me happy, so that's why I use purple a lot, and just color in general. It just boosts my mood and makes me feel better. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to join. And then if you are a subscriber, if you click on the bottom bell in the right hand side, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. And check out all the links below my video. There's a Facebook page, Patreon, PayPal, my Amazon recommendations link, Instagram. I have a new platform on Thinkific for online tutorials if you want to learn how to paint traditional acrylic paintings with brushes. I'm showing you how to paint as a beginner because that is what I love to do. I've been painting for 20 years and I want to share that with other people. So go check that out if you would like. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.